Do you want to automatically summarize your meetings? Or you want to record and summarize them even without attending the meeting? We have got you covered. On Dashboard, click on Add Calendar button with which you can add your Google or Outlook calendar. Once done, you'll find all of your meeting time slots at one place, on your dashboard. Go to Settings, and click on the Meetings option. Select Note-Taker. Choose Join All My Meetings Now. Whenever you're in a meeting, AI Note-Taker will join as a muted participant and voila! You can find the notes for the said meeting on your dashboard once meeting is over. To invite the note-taker to a meeting which is not on calendar, click on the Invite Now button. Enter the meeting title and the meeting URL and click on the Invite Now prompt. If you don't want AI Note-Taker to join a meeting, then just go to that meeting title here and click Cancel Invite. That's it. AI Note-Taker won't join this meeting now. Thank you, and remember, great meetings start with you in Instaminutes.